Hello guys, TWC Coaster here. Tornado warnings. My time's up. Then can you go set it? Please? So we got a brand new tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Hall County and south central Nebraska until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Donovan, or 11 miles south of Grand Island, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Hall County. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 310 and 316. Proximate preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern York and northeastern Hamilton counties. At 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Iowa, or 17 miles east of Grand Island, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball sized hail. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Marquette around 5 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions to repeat: a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time for northern Jewell County. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Burr Oak, or 34 miles northwest of Bell Oak, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and 2-inch size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Burr Oak around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for northern Adams County and south central Nebraska until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Roseland, or 10 miles southwest of Hastings, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hastings around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Henderson around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So that was those. Let's see here. So we did have a tornado warning right there, but that soon has gone away. So let me actually hit the X on there. So we got a brand new tornado warning that has just been issued by the National Weather Service, and it's GID. Let's see here. GLD, I mean. So it would have to be somewhere in this area. But we got a bunch of tornado warnings that are in effect right now. We're gonna have to stay up to date on these. As we do have this tornado watch that's in effect right now. For tornado warnings right now. Alright, there you go. Wait, is that the one that they issued? Yeah. Okay. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for northern Jewell County and north central Kansas, southwestern Nucleus County and south central Nebraska until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Burr Oak, or 31 miles north of Bell Oak, moving east at 30 miles per hour. There are additional areas of rotation near Mankato, also moving east. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Superior around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for east central Butler County and east central Nebraska, northwestern Saunders County and east central Nebraska until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located, or they just updated it. So tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for east central Butler and northwestern Saunders counties. At 5:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Prague, or 21 miles east of Columbus, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-sized hail. Source: weather spotters report a final cloud approximately 3 miles north of Bruno. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Prague around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Abilene. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tornado warnings. Oh, hold on. There is, let's see here. There's one, two, three. I see 4 regular tornado warnings. Let's see here. I'm on the latest scan. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know where the other tornado warning is. There's 2 of them for. So we got a brand new tornado reported warning here. Let me go to it live for y'all. So it's gonna be that one right there. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Hall County. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Doniphan, or 9 miles south of Grand Island, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: public confirmed tornado in or very near Doniphan. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Doniphan. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 311 and 316. Precautionary preparedness actions to repeat: a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So, so you can see we got so many tornado warnings right now. So we have so many tornado warnings in effect right now. But going to be seeing a lot of this near Oklahoma City and maybe even the same area tomorrow. So we're going to be having to watch out on this situation very closely right now as we continue. So we got so that tornado warning just transitioned into a regular or into a severe thunderstorm warning. Um, I don't know if that storm has weakened, but we can check the velocity scans in here. Um, nope, strong rotation still in that cell down there. It looks like the rotation has gone out of there. So I'm pretty curious about them dropping that tornado warning. Um, Law enforcement said brief tornadoes has since dissipated. Um, but that rotation, let's see here. If we were to go back in the previous scans here, whenever there was an, I can't see anything. Let me go here. I don't know if there's anything there, but you can see that tornado warning right there. It's gone because the rotation went away. So we're down out of any tornado reported warnings, but we still got 3 regular tornado warnings. And it says that we got 4. One in Kansas. Yeah, that's Jewel and Nochlis. Butler, Sanders, Adams, and Adams. But you can see we 22 active severe thunderstorm warnings now. I'm not gonna start to read any of those, but you can see we got a brand new severe thunderstorm warning right near Dodge City. And we got a cell right there that's gonna be entering the severe thunderstorm warning or severe or tornado watch area. Dr. Graf Forbes is on the Weather Channel right now talking about these, but I want to stay up to date on these and tell you about these warnings. At one time, we had 7 active tornado warnings in effect right now, but that has soon went down to 4 active tornado warnings. I keep wanting to say tornado warnings, but it's severe I keep wanting to say severe thunderstorm warnings, but they are tornado warnings. But right now you can see we have multiple cells that are tornado warned, indicated by these red boxes up here and some down here. The National Weather Service does continue a tornado warning. I believe it is that one. A tornado a tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Adams County. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hastings, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Henderson around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. And you can see most of these storms are showing an inch hail, and most of these one cell is actually showing 3-inch size hail. That is tremendous, guys. 3 inches. And the cell up here, that's 21. 3 inches. We got reports of 2 inches coming in, but pretty sure it's going to be coming. But I'm pretty sure that Kansas City, you're probably gonna be under tornado watch. Wichita, yes, and some other places because they're probably gonna have to extend this tornado watch eastward with this squall line. 18 severe thunderstorm warning, so that's soon gone down. But But 2 inches now in that storm, 1 inch within the same storm. 3 inches down there, 3 inches, 2 inches, and we got a lot of reports. I'm probably going to see a bunch of reports of tornadoes. Right now, if I go over to the Storms Prediction Center's website to see about these reports of tornadoes, and I'm going to have to say unfiltered. Um, And it looks like that tornado warning is going to soon be allowed to go away, but it's going to transition to a severe thunderstorm warning. So we keep losing these tornado warnings. Fantastic news. But what is also not fantastic is that we still have this area. It's still favorable for development of tornadoes. So we're going to have to watch this situation very closely. Hopefully I can stay on here for y'all and talk to and tell y'all about these warnings. Storm reports coming in right now. Today's reports, unfiltered reports. So we got possible brief tornado has since dissipated. Location radar estimated that's going to be 6 miles southwest of Marquette in Hamilton, Nebraska, and 2 miles south-southeast of Donovan in Hall County, Nebraska. Brief tornado since has dissipated, and that was by law enforcement. But we continue to see severe thunderstorm warnings go up, but the tornado warnings go down. Which we want the tornado warnings to go down, even though that may increase the severe thunderstorm warnings. With that, they're not as capable as to produce really widespread or major damage. And it's 81 degrees right now, and people are sending me stuff blowing up. You can see we got red flag warnings down here, but then a tornado watch. So this enhanced risk, this moderate risk, and most of these cells are in this moderate risk or near this moderate risk with the bunch of wind shear that we have today. That's what's causing all these tornado warnings to be issued. Really. And I may not be correct, fully correct today, but Okay, so we just lost that tornado warning right here. That tornado warning right here, you'll see in seconds. In a couple loops, it will go away. They have soon canceled that tornado warning. You can see it just went away. But we still have 3 tornado warnings right now. For some reason, or we have 2. But it looks like we're soon going to lose that tornado warning. Not sure about that one. I can only hold two radar sites up right now. I wish I could have. I wish I had 2 phones where I could have this one on the tripod showing y'all radars over here, and another one showing y'all radars on the other one for another live stream. But unfortunately, that won't happen, and we continue to see these warnings. I'm going to try and focus this in. There you go. Hopefully that's a lot better for y'all. So you can see these red boxes are tornado warnings. The yellow ones are severe thunderstorm warnings, and these purple ones are either tornado reported warnings, which means our tornado has been reported or something. They're going to expire tornado warning. I'm not sure. I believe it's for that county right there, Adams County. Um, I'm pretty sure it's that. Okay, so you can see they let that one expire, and we only have this tornado warning up here. The tornado warning for East Central Butler County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 or 10 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time for East Central Nebraska. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Saunders County. At 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Prague, or 25 miles east of Columbus, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-sized hail. Source: radar indicator rotation. This storm has had a history of producing a funnel cloud. Trained weather spotters reported hail up to golf ball size in Linwood. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Prague around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. And let me just show you here. Let me open Sketchpad to show you what we have today. So let's see here, and these boxes are going to represent um, Nebraska and Kansas. So what we have is the shear coming out of the south here. Wind coming out, ugh, wind coming out of the south with winds coming out of the west, but at a much different direction. And that's called, and it goes faster going up the atmosphere. And if you going up the atmosphere, the winds change in direction and also get faster. So that is called um, wind shear, and that's what in the middle where they intersect. That's where your rotation is going to be, and your possible tornado could develop within that. And we continue to see all these cells moving eastbound, mostly, or some of them may move northeastward. But you can see that's probably gonna be our next storm, or one of the storms that next get severe thunderstorm warning, going into, about to enter Kansas, coming out of Oklahoma, and it's producing hail right now. And half inch looks like. But we continue to see these we continue to see tornado reports with these tornado warnings. So we only have one tornado warning that is still in effect, and you can see it's all the way up here near KOAX, which unfortunately I'm not going to switch away from, or switch away from KUEX, which is where where um where I'm trying to get or where I can see those tornado warnings from. But we got a lot of hail. 2 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch, 1 inch. Let's see here, 3 inches up there. And they'll allow that tornado warning up there. It says the tornado warning for northwestern Saunders County will expire at 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The tornado threat has diminished and the tornado warning has been canceled. However, large hail and damaging winds remain likely, and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the warned area. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time for east central Nebraska. So they'll allow that tornado warning to be gone. So we got no tornado warnings, but we just got a tornado vortex signature, which means that a possible, which is radar's picking up on something that could say that a potential tornado could be developing. So let's head down here live right now. Storm relative velocity, and you can see that is strong, or I would say strong rotation with red's going towards radar, green's going away. So, but red's going away from radar, and greens are going towards radar. So I would say anything along that, and seeing that soon. be going into a tornado warning. Hopefully not. Hopefully. So we got brand new tornado warning. I believe it's near Dodge City. Is it? Yes, it is. So I'm going to click on that. And back into motion. The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Edwards County and south central Kansas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Centerview, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Centerview around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lewis around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So Wichita has just issued a tornado warning. Y'all just saw that moments ago
Get
pop
off
up.
of there, Cody. Come on. Sick of this. Just stay in there 24 fucking hours a day, 24 hours a day.
My time hasn't gone off.
Get off of there.
My time hasn't gone off
I
though.
don't care. Get off and come here.
Yes, ma'am.